Have you ever wondered why used pre-owned Toyota vehicles tend to cost more than other pre-owned vehicles from other manufacturers? Whether you're buying a used sedan, pickup truck, or an SUV, one thing is clear. Used Toyotas hold their value longer and are often priced higher when compared to other brands. But why is that? Today, we're diving into the reasons behind Toyota's higher resale prices, including their legendary reliability, award winning reputation, and strong presence in the hybrid market. That's right, everyone. Whether you're in the market for a pre owned vehicle, whether it be a Toyota or another brand, or you're just curious as to why pre owned Toyotas are generally priced higher, well, then you're in the right place because today we're going to break down all of that and the key factors that are determining and pushing up the value and pricing behind these pre owned Toyotas. First up, let's talk about the reliability. Toyota is widely regarded as one of the most reliable car brands on the planet and in the market. And it's not just a reputation, they back it up with decades of consistency. For example, the Toyota Corolla, one of the best selling cars in the world, is known to last well over 200,000 miles if properly maintained. This means fewer trips to the mechanic and fewer unexpected repair bills for owners, which is a huge plus and a huge selling point for pre owned buyers. And it's not just the Toyota Corolla that we're talking about here. Toyota's entire lineup, from the Toyota Camry to the Tacoma to the RAV4, has earned some of the highest marks in reliability and longevity. So when you buy a used Toyota vehicle, you're often getting a vehicle that can last a decade or more with minimal issues. This durability is one of the key reasons why Toyotas hold their value so well compared to other used vehicles. Now, everyone, let's talk about resale value. Toyota doesn't just make reliable vehicles, they make vehicles that, well, people want to buy, both in the used car market and in the new car market. Toyota is one of the few automotive companies that has been consistently recognized by organizations like Kelley Blue Book for consistent strong resale values. In fact, Toyota has won Kelley Blue Book's Best Resale Value Award multiple times across many different categories and lineups. This includes models like the Toyota Tacoma, Toyota 4Runner, and even the Prius are known to retain their value better than most competitors out there when comparing similar vehicles. This means, everyone, that if you buy a Toyota today, you're likely to get a bigger chunk of your investment back when you sell it later down the road. While other car brands see their values plummet once they hit the used car market, Toyotas remain in demand, and this helps to keep their resale prices and resale values higher. Let's have a little bit of fun with this topic, going back to fact number one about the reliability. If you live in very dense populations, like the city of Toronto or like New York City, and you see a lot of taxi cabs or Uber drivers, you'll notice a common denominator, which is a lot of them are using Toyota vehicles for these reasons of strong resale value, dependable, reliable vehicles. I mean, we've seen taxi cab Toyota Camrys in our dealer and in our system with well over 5, 6, 700,000 kilometers, and they're just in for their routine maintenance. And we're starting to see a lot of RAV4s, Toyota Priuses, Corollas, of course. Corolla is by far one of the best vehicles when it comes to driving school companies because they're perfect all around, very low on maintenance. But keep in mind, a lot of these are also hybrid vehicles. And that just goes to bring us to our third topic, which is the strong, super strong presence in the hybrid segment and in the hybrid economy and hybrid world when it comes to vehicle purchases for new and for these pre-owned used vehicles. You can pretty much say that Toyota is a leader when it comes to the hybrid market. Toyota was one of the first automakers to embrace hybrid technology back in the late 90s with their first Toyota Prius when it made a debut. I think it was 1996 or 1997. Now, fast forward to today's time in 2024, almost 2025. Toyota is definitely the leader and has the most extensive lineup and selection when it comes to the hybrid powertrain systems. Now, I'm not talking full electric. I'm not even talking plug-in hybrid. I'm just talking about hybrid, where you have a regular gasoline combustion engine, usually a 4-cylinder, 2.4, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, hooked up to a hybrid electric motor and high voltage battery hybrid powertrain system. We have them on pretty much everything we offer and sell, with the exception of a few models like sport vehicles, the GR Corolla, the GR86. Pretty much every vehicle, Corolla hatchback doesn't have hybrid yet here. But everything else has a hybrid for the most part. And some models, some vehicles are actually only exclusively available in hybrid, like the Toyota Sienna, like the Toyota Camry. Maybe the new RAV4 when it comes out as a redesign might be hybrid only. So as you can see, Toyota's presence and stance and their confidence is like no other automaker, no other manufacturer on the planet when it comes to hybrid. Toyota is one of the few companies that have hybrid systems which offer a combination of fuel efficiency, low emissions, and long-term reliability. So if you're looking for a used car that's eco-friendly and still has a lot of life in it, then a Toyota hybrid is a fantastic choice. Plus, keep in mind, hybrids tend to have a lower depreciation compared to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles from the Toyota lineup, which makes them hold their value even longer and even better. Moving on to this last part and last segment here of why used Toyotas tend to cost more when compared to other brands and other manufacturers. Keep in mind Toyota's strong following and strong loyalty that they've built over the years. That's right, contributing to the higher prices for these used Toyotas is the brand's strong reputation and customer loyalty. Toyota has built a following over the years, with many drivers swearing by the brand's dependability and value. This loyalty translates into demand for the used vehicles, specifically for the Toyota lineup, and drives the prices up. Now, customers, viewers, and general people that own Toyota vehicles tend to keep them for quite a long time. And when they're ready to trade up or sell the vehicle, there's generally always a strong market for these cars because they know they can trust the brand. This strong customer base helps keep and create a cycle of demand that drives the prices higher than average. So to wrap things up over here, yes, typically pre-owned used Toyota vehicles will cost a bit more than other used vehicles from other brands and other manufacturers for a few key reasons. Their legendary reliability, strong resale value, their amazing confidence and presence in the hybrid world and in the hybrid technology, and let's not forget their super loyal customer base. So if you're looking for a used Toyota, but you realize it's slightly more than that other brand or other manufacturer that you might be considering, just keep in mind it is a worthwhile and a smart investment. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and this topic discussion on used resale values for Toyota vehicles. A lot of you have been asking for this video. Hopefully, I've answered all your questions. If not, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.